Join me as I take on the challenge of capturing the most breathtaking views of Amsterdam from above. Can I find the best spots for an epic aerial adventure? Getting a glimpse of this beautiful city from a unique perspective is going to be exhilarating, and I'm excited to share it with you. Capturing the beauty of Amsterdam is no easy task, as its charm lies in the intricate details of its architecture and the way its landmarks seamlessly blend into the cityscape. Aerial views provide a unique perspective that ground-level views simply cannot offer, allowing us to appreciate the city's layout and see how its different parts connect. The challenge of capturing Amsterdam's beauty is what drew me to this project, and I'm eager to see if I can do it justice. From up high, the city's patterns and shapes come alive, revealing a complexity that's hard to appreciate from the ground. Amsterdam's beauty is multifaceted, and aerial views are the key to unlocking a deeper understanding of this incredible city. Soaring above Amsterdam's iconic Rijksmuseum, this breathtaking aerial view captures the grandeur of one of the Netherlands' most famous landmarks. As we glide at 35 meters, the stunning architecture unfolds, from its intricate facades to the sprawling museumplein below. Moving higher, the cityscape of Amsterdam reveals itself, canals weaving through historic streets, bustling squares, and the vibrant energy of this UNESCO World Heritage City. Before returning to home point, we take in the panoramic beauty of Amsterdam from above, a sight that never fails to inspire. Want to explore Amsterdam yourself? Check out the links below for the best travel deals and drone gear. And if you enjoyed this flight, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support the channel. Amsterdam is a city that's full of beauty and charm, and seeing it from above has been an incredible experience. I hope you enjoyed this aerial tour of Amsterdam, and I'd love to hear about your favorite part of the video. Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other travel videos for more stunning locations.